day, class. I'm your teacher, Tabontabon, or you can call me Sir Mark. And today, I will be your teacher in this art subject. How are you today, class? I hope you are okay. Are you excited for today's lesson? Wow, more energy. That's great. So today, before we start, let's have a short recap about the knowledge that we gained from the previous lesson. And it is all about art. We learned that art is the expression or application of human creative skill and imagination, typically in a visual form such as painting and sculpture. And today, let us move on to our next topic. Our new topic for today is all about the principles of design. In this lesson, the students are expected to, letter A, identify the different principles of design present in the various art movements. Letter B, appreciate the different principles of design and the details of arts. And letter C, create your artwork by applying the principles of design based on example of arts. But before that, let's have a first short activity. Are you excited, class? That's good. So I will show you some pictures and some words, and all you have to do, class, is to match the words and the printed pictures. Okay? I will give you 30 seconds to answer. Are you ready? Okay, your time starts now. Okay, class, time's up. Now let's check your answer. Wow, you got it, class. I'm impressed. So what are those pictures all about? Anyone? Yes, correct. What comes into your mind when you hear the words unity and variety, balance, emphasis and subordination, contrast, repetition and rhythm, and scale and proportion? Very good. That's correct. These are the 6 principles of design. Did you know, class, that without the principles of design in an art, there will be no artwork? Yes, because artwork is composed of designs that make artworks beautiful, fascinating, and expressive. The word design, class, indicates both the process of organizing visual elements and the product of that process. It is a result of our basic need for meaningful order. Some designs are so well integrated that they have qualities beyond a mere sum of their parts. Art and beauty, class, can be expressed in many ways. Yes, in the natural beauty of huge old trees, or the creative beauty of a painting of those trees, like in the work of Van Gogh. This is called the large plane trees. Looks great, right? Depicted in his works are the principles of design that made his work beautiful, fascinating, and expressive. Okay, class, what do you call this one? Correct? This is called a painting that shows unity and variety. So number 1 is unity and variety. Unity refers to the appearance or condition of the oneness of an artwork. All the elements such as lines, colors, or texture, and other belong together. which result in having a coherent and harmonious whole. A variety provides diversity, yet it acts as a counterbalance to extreme unity. So this painting class called The Going Home, and this one, it is the Migration series. It is a painting of Jacob Lawrence, and these are the examples of the unity and variety. Wow, it was very good painting, right? The visual themes were established with the use of lines, shapes, colors, the many figures, and the objects in the complex compositions of Lawrence form in a unified design through the artist's skillful use of abstraction, theme, and variation. Number 2, we have balance. So balance is the condition in which acting influences are held in check by opposing forces, or what is on the left side should be appear on the right side. Also, in order to achieve equilibrium. Am I correct? Yes. The near or exact matching of the left and the right side of a three-dimensional form or a two-dimensional composition is called symmetric balance. Two sides that are not same is asymmetric balance. Just like this one class, this is called the symmetric balance. And this one is asymmetric balance. Number 3, we have the emphasis and subordination. To draw our attention to an area or areas, the artist uses emphasis. Neutral areas of lesser interest are created by artists through subordination to keep us from being distracted from the areas of emphasis. Just like this painting of Joseph Mallord William, it is called The Yacht Approaching the Coast. Looks so nice, class, right? Yes. Number 4, we have the contrast. The juxtaposition of strongly dissimilar elements is called contrast. Dark set against light, large against small, bright colors against dull are examples of contrast. Visual experience becomes monotonous without contrast. Contrast can be seen also in the thick and thin areas of a single brush stroke. This painting class shows contrasts. Number 5, principles of design class, we called repetition and rhythm. The repetition of visual element gives a composition of unity, continuity, flow, and emphasis. Rhythm in visual art is created through a regular recurrence of elements with related variation. So this painting of Docio de Bonensigna, it is called Maestra. It shows repetition and rhythm. The last one, we have the scale and proportion. The scale is the relation of one thing to another. It is one of the first decisions of artists to make when planning a work of art. Proportion is the size relationship of parts to a whole. So this is Zapatistas, a Jose Clemente Orozco painting. As you can see, class, the principles of design are made up of various mixes of the elements of design all put together in one picture, making picture or paintings look better. When more than one principles is used together, an artist can create artwork that will amaze people and get good publicity. It was great, right? I hope, class, you learn and enjoy. And now, class, let's have an activity. Are you excited, class, for the activity? That's great! So your activity, class, is you need to create something beautiful and useful artwork to make your life more meaningful by applying the different principles of design that you have learned concerning the talent that God has given you. And here is the rubrics for the performance task. Class, I will give you 20 minutes to do the task. Your time starts now. Okay class, time's up. Please pass your artwork. And this moment, let's see if you learn our lesson. Let's have a short quiz. So this is multiple choice. All you need to do, class, is to choose the letter of the best answer. Write it in a 1/4 sheet piece of paper. Okay? Okay class, that's all for today's discussion. Hope you learn and enjoy our lesson. Once again, I'm your art teacher, Sir Mark, saying you will learn if you are willing to learn. God bless everyone and bye.